What if I told you that somewhere in the darkness of space, two invisible monsters collided with such incredible force that they twisted the very fabric of reality itself? Not stars, not planets, black holes. And for the first time, scientists may have detected evidence of a giant cosmic whirlpool hidden inside spacetime, a discovery so extraordinary that it could reveal secrets about gravity that have remained hidden for more than a century. But what exactly did scientists find? And why are physicists around the world so excited about it? Black holes are among the strangest objects in the universe. They are regions of space where gravity becomes so powerful that nothing can escape, not even light. Imagine compressing an entire star into an incredibly small area. The result would be a gravitational monster capable of bending space and time itself. Most black holes spend billions of years silently drifting through the cosmos, but sometimes two of them become trapped in a deadly dance. As these black holes orbit each other, they move faster and faster. With every orbit, they draw closer together. Their immense gravity creates ripples in the fabric of space-time. These ripples are known as gravitational waves. Traveling at the speed of light, these waves race across the universe, crossing galaxies and passing countless stars on a journey that can last billions of years before eventually reaching Earth. More than 100 years ago, Albert Einstein predicted the existence of gravitational waves in his theory of general relativity. At the time, many scientists believed they would never be detected because they were far too small and weak. Yet Einstein's equations suggested they were real. For decades, gravitational waves remained only a theoretical idea. Then, in 2015, scientists finally detected them directly for the first time, opening an entirely new way to explore the universe. Since then, observatories have captured dozens of signals from colliding black holes. Most of these events matched what scientists expected, but recently, researchers discovered something unusual hidden within one of these signals. It appeared to contain evidence of a deeper and more complex process occurring during the collision itself. Not just waves spreading through space-time, but a violent twisting motion happening at the very heart of the merger. To understand this, imagine two powerful whirlpools forming in the ocean. As they move closer together, the water spins faster and faster until the whirlpools merge into a single giant vortex. Now replace the water with space-time itself, and replace the whirlpools with black holes. During the final moments before collision, space-time may twist, swirl, and churn in ways never directly observed before. Scientists believe they have now detected the signature of this cosmic whirlpool hidden inside the gravitational wave signal. This discovery is important because it allows researchers to study gravity under the most extreme conditions in existence. On Earth, gravity seems simple. It keeps us on the ground and guides planets around stars. But near merging black holes, gravity becomes incredibly violent and complex. By analyzing these signals, scientists can test Einstein's theory in environments far beyond anything we can recreate on Earth. So far, Einstein's predictions continue to be remarkably accurate. Yet every new observation offers the possibility of finding something unexpected, something that could transform our understanding of physics and the universe itself. The more we learn about black holes, the more mysteries we uncover. For centuries, astronomy relied on light. Telescopes allowed us to observe stars, galaxies, and planets through visible light, radio waves, and X-rays. But gravitational waves are different. They do not let us see the universe. They allow us to hear it. Every black hole collision creates a unique gravitational signature, like a fingerprint left on spacetime. Hidden within those signals may be clues to secrets we have not yet discovered. Scientists are already developing more advanced gravitational wave detectors. Future observatories will be able to detect events from even greater distances, allowing us to look further back in time than ever before. They may reveal the first black holes that formed after the birth of the universe, or uncover entirely new cosmic phenomena that we cannot yet imagine. Somewhere, billions of light years away, two black holes collided. The impact was so powerful that it shook the fabric of reality itself. The waves from that event traveled across the cosmos until they finally reached Earth. And hidden within those waves was evidence of something extraordinary. A cosmic whirlpool, a twisting of space-time itself, and a glimpse into one of the universe's greatest secrets. The universe is not silent. It has been speaking for billions of years, and only now are we beginning to understand its language.